3 months ago, I was broke. Today, I run 5 completely faceless AI businesses that generate over $8,000 per month. And the crazy part, I started each one with absolutely $0. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy what I did step by step. Look, I know what you're thinking. Another guru promising easy money, right? Wrong. I'm not selling you a course. I'm not asking for your email. I am just a regular person who figured out how to use AI to build real income streams without showing my face, without having special skills, and without spending a single penny up front. 6 months ago, I was working a dead-end job, barely making ends meet. I'd tried everything: dropshipping, affiliate marketing, even selling my old stuff online. Nothing worked. Then I discovered something that changed everything. AI wasn't just a buzzword anymore. It was a money-making machine, and most people had no idea how to use it properly. Business number 1. AI Content Creation Agency. Here's how it works. Local businesses desperately need social media content, but they don't have time to create it. You become their invisible content creator using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva. I started by messaging 20 local restaurants in my area. My pitch was simple. I'll create 30 days of social media posts for $200. If you don't love them, don't pay me. 3 said yes immediately. That's $600 in my first week. Here's the system. Use ChatGPT to generate post ideas, Canva's AI to create graphics, and schedule everything through free tools like Later. Each client takes me 2 hours per month to manage. I now have 12 clients paying $300 each. That's $3,600 monthly from Business 1 alone. Business number 2. AI-powered digital products. This one is brilliant because you create once and sell forever. I use ChatGPT to create digital planners, checklists, and templates that people actually want. My breakthrough came when I created an AI productivity planner using ChatGPT to generate the content and Canva to make it look professional. I listed it on Etsy for $12. In 3 months, it sold 847 copies. That's over $10,000 from one digital product. The secret? I let AI do the heavy lifting. ChatGPT creates the content structure, suggests layouts, even writes the product descriptions. I just package it beautifully and upload. My top 5 digital products now generate $2,100 monthly in passive income. Business number 4. AI customer service chatbots. Small businesses waste hours answering the same questions repeatedly. You solve this by creating custom chatbots using free AI tools. I charge $500 to set up a chatbot and $100 monthly for maintenance. The setup takes me 4 hours using tools like Chatfeel or ManyHat. I currently manage 8 chatbots, generating $800 monthly recurring revenue. The best part? These chatbots handle 80% of customer inquiries automatically. Business owners love them because they save time and money. I love them because they pay me while I sleep. Business number 5. AI-generated online courses. This is the big one. I create and sell online courses without being an expert in anything. AI does the research, creates the curriculum, and even generates quiz questions. My CourseMaster AI Tools for Business has sold 312 copies at $97 each. That's over $1,470 in revenue. The entire course was created using ChatGPT for content, AI voices for narration, and free screen recording software. Here's my system. Find a problem people are willing to pay to solve. Use ChatGPT to create comprehensive course content. Record screen tutorials showing AI tools in action. Package everything on platforms like Teachable. And promote through free social media content. Here's the truth. AI is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime, but most people are sleeping on it. While everyone else is worried about AI taking their jobs, smart people are using AI to create multiple income streams. You have 2 choices. You can keep watching videos about making money online, or you can actually start building these systems today. Every single tool I mentioned is free or has a free version. You literally have no excuse not to start. Pick one business model that resonates with you. Spend the next 7 days building it. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you see what's possible, hit that like button and subscribe for more real strategies that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.